Okay, page 603, 1 through 12 is what we're doing right now. It says, suppose a card is drawn from a well-shuffled standard deck of 52, so no jokers. Find the probability of drawing each of the following. Black card.
50%.
Okay, we're going to go with fractions because...
Oh, and then 1/2.
Yeah, you can do percents, but some of these will be messy, so fractions will be better. Yeah, 1 and 2, 1/2. And do reduce if they reduce. What's the B? What's the op?
1, 4,
Spade is 1 and 4. So not a spade would be 3 and 4. Number 3. What's the probability that you draw a red diamond? How many red diamonds are there?
1.
No.
Oh,
No.
red diamond?
Oh.
2.
No, there's
2.
There's
12.
13.
13.
Wait, a red diamond is like,
Yeah,
whoa.
13. No, 14.
Okay, that's dumb.
Oh,
All diamonds are red.
Yeah.
All diamonds are red.
So the chance that you get
So
a
it's
diamond
basically-
is 1 in 4.
Yeah, I don't know why they said it like that.
That's
It's
1 in
confusing.
4.
Yeah,
Wait.
diamonds are a fourth of the deck, so it's 1 and 4.
Oh, that was confusing. So weird.
Now they have
14.
Okay,
So 0, right?
a black diamond would be 0. I guess they're setting us up for that. Yeah, number 3 is the weird one.
Not a black. So
No.
it's not 1/4 again?
No,
100%.
it's impossible to draw a black diamond, so the odds that you won't get a black diamond, yeah.
So 1.
Yeah, it'd be 1. I didn't write anything up there. So, yeah, 3C is 1.
Dumb.
Yeah, that one is.
Yeah, 1, 2, and 4 are more like number 1. Number 5, Mr. and Mrs. Smith each bought 10 raffle tickets. Each of their 3 children bought 4. If 4,280 tickets were sold in all, what is the probability that the grand prize winner is A, Mr. or Mrs. Smith? So how many
4,280.
tickets did Mr. and Mrs. Smith buy together?
20.
20. Out of, what's the total number of tickets?
4,280.
4. Okay, so that's going to reduce, right? You can divide by 20.
You can't do divide by 10.
You can divide by 10, but then you'd have to divide by 2 also.
Oh, wait, I mean, yeah.
If
Okay.
you divide by 10, that gets rid
Yeah.
of zeros. If you divide by 2, that's 2, 1, 4.
This is like, didn't we do this in like 5th grade?
Yeah, probably. But, you know, this is lesson 1, so
Oh, I guess it's true.
it can get more. I lost my place. What is the odds that one of the 5 Smiths are going to win?
32 out of
There's 3 kids with 4, so that's 12, and then the 20 from the parents, so 30, yeah, it's 32 tickets out of 4280. This will be a good calculator reduction.
4 over 585.
Not very good odds.
Would that be more or less than 1% chance?
Less.
Right. 1 in 500. 5 in 500 would be 1%. So that's a little bit less than that. Alright. Number C. What are the odds that it's not the Smiths? So if 4.
248.
So let's look at this one though. If there's 4 in 535 that the Smiths will win, then what's the odds that they won't?
531.
Right, 531 out of 535. Yeah, they do percentages sometimes. How would you change that to a percentage?
Use the
Just
fraction.
Just divide.
Divide that by that. And if it's it'll be like 0.993, whatever. So it'd be like 99.3%. We're not going to do that though. Let's leave it. Okay, number 7. Are you guessing?
Yeah.
New York City is divided into 5 boroughs: Manhattan, Queens, Bronx, Brooklyn, Staten Island. Suppose that a New York City telephone number is randomly chosen. Explain why the probability that it is a Manhattan telephone number is not 1 in 5.
Because Manhattan is smaller.
Well, it could be population.
Smaller area.
I was right.
What? Is it not because of
The population was probably different, I'm sure.
Says that again.
Yeah. They just, okay, the book put there are not an equal number of phone numbers in each borough. But the population thing works too.
What do you need to know?
What do you need to know in order to find the correct probability?
Amount of numbers. in each-
Number of numbers, number of phone numbers in each borough. Or I guess you could just say Manhattan and total city borough numbers. Number 9, use the table on page 601.
How are we using the dot? The dot.
Yeah. So they just list all the possible rolls for 2 dice, basically, is what they're talking about. Which gives the 36 equally likely outcomes when 2 dice are rolled. Have you guys ever played Settlers of Catan?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's got 2 dice and it's a board game. You want to roll the numbers for the stuff that you own, and you can kind of use this to figure out what's the probability that you're going to get what you want. Okay. Equally likely outcomes when 2 dice are rolled. Find the probability of each event. Number 9. What is the probability that the sum is 6? So if you look at the chart, you guys see where the numbers that add up to 6 are? It's the 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1.
So 5 over
5 out of
36.
36.
5 out of 36. Let's see, I forgot that number. 9A. There's 5 rolls out of the 36 possible rolls. And then B, that the sum is 7. So if you look, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. So how many is that? 6 out of 36, which reduces to 1 and 6. So that's the most likely roll. In Settlers of Catan, that's when the thief takes the thing. Maybe only one person has played that game. We could play that game and we'll talk about the probabilities.
Let's do it.
I don't know that
It's one of those games that takes like an hour
I
to
don't know
learn.
that we finished one.
I played.
I think I've played like a 2.5 hour round of that before.
Is that the one with like the hexagons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always just play the development cards. I don't even go for cities.
Do you win?
If I get lucky with the
Yeah,
development deck, then
you
yeah.
need, the best way to play is just go with whatever
Resources,
whatever they give you.
Yeah.
Whatever's
I try
easy.
to set myself up well with because you can get resource development cards a lot easier than cities. There's just
Yeah.
3 different resources.
11. The 2 dice show different numbers. Oh gosh. So it'd be easier on this one if we count how many rolls do show 2 numbers. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. How many rolls is that? Okay. What are the odds that we would get a roll that shows the same 2 numbers?
Roll at 6.
1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6,
1 out of
6.
6.
There's 6 out of 36. So what's the odds that won't
30 out
happen?
of 36.
Yeah,
So
take
which
6
is-
away from 36 is 30 out of 36.
Wait, why do you take 16?
Okay, so the odds that we would get doubles, there's 6 rolls where you get a double. 1, 1, 2, 2. So it's 6 out of 36.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's 15 out of 18.
So that leaves 30 out of 36 where we won't get
Yeah.
doubles,
Okay.
which is 5 and 6.
You know,
Wait, was that still number 9?
Did we do 9?
Whoops.
Wait, that was 11.
Did we do C?
No.
Oopsie. 11 is 5 out of 6. I erased all my work. Alright. 9C, if the sum is 8. It's right above the red line. The red diagonal shows the 9. So if you just look right above that, that would be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like there's 5. So yeah, same as A. Yeah, if 7 is the most likely roll, 8 and 6, which are right around 7, are like tied for second. So it's 5 and 36 chance. Rolling in 8. We just did 11, so I guess we're done. Just too easy, probably. It's okay.